ASAP, which is not ASAP, it's ASAP. They get angry, very angry at that. But that's Association for Student Activity Programming.
Sophia.
Ooh, I was a part of this my freshman year. This is bad. Student Opportunity for Intellectual Advancement. Oh! Summer Opportunities for Intellectual Activity. Ooh, WPFS, Proud Fighting Scots Radio, which is a radio station ran by students on campus.
Hoko Hoko.
Oh, that was like, I knew that one. I was like, my brain just blanked. Okay. Moko Hoko, which stands for Monmouth College Homecoming, which is a great time where students and alumni get together and have a great time. CSB, which stands for the CSB, which stands for Center for Science and Business. CVOP, which is the Colorful Voices of Praise.
What is it?
I used to be one in freshman year. Which is a student-ran gospel group on campus. Einstein's, which is the student support system on campus. The coffee shop in Hughes Library. ACE, which is the Academic and Career Excellence, which is in Hughes Library and is composed of 4 important offices: the Registrar, Wackerly Center, the Office of Global Engagement, and then the Student Accessibility and Success Center. Student Success and Accessibility Center. An RA is a resident assistant, and an HR is a head resident, who are both students that live in the building and oversee the entire building. What's provisions on demand?
Yeah,
What's
I don't know.
Okay, I'm sorry. The pod, which stands for Provisions on Demand, which is located in the CSB, and it's a place where you can grab snacks, coffee in between classes or wherever you're going around campus. The Huff is our Huff Athletic Center, which is composed of the field house, basketball court, etc. And so that's a place where any student or faculty member can go and work out. So there's a McMike Academic Hall and there's a McMike the Dorm. You'll figure out which one is which because guys can't get into one. McMichael Academic Hall is a place where language classes are as well as art classes. And then McMichael the Dorm is a female residence hall which is open for sophomores, juniors, and seniors. It's just a space. SAC, which stands for Student Athletic Advisory Committee. KKGs and Pi Phis are sororities that were founded on campus. KKG stands for Kappa Kappa Gamma, and Pi Phi stands for Pi Beta Phi. MCTV is a Monmouth College the Monmouth College television station. It's a TV station that's ran by students on campus. So the CAF is located in Stockdale. It's our main dining hall on campus. So where do you want to eat, up or down? Up is the CAF, and then down is Scotland Yard, which has pasta, Mexican food, and sandwiches made to your liking. The Quad. Now there are rumors about where the Quad is, and I'm going to settle those rumors. The Quad is not the space between Bowers, Peterson, and Patee or North. The Quad is the space between the library, Stockdale, and the Huff. You must learn that, people. Rose Scotch is just Rose Scotch because #Rose Scotch.